guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy Marietta and today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on Julia Roberts' hair in Pretty Woman. I don't know if you guys have seen it. If you haven't, you should definitely watch it. It's such a classic, and now that we have all this time during quarantine season, quarantining and chilling, it's a great time to try new hairstyles and to watch classic movies. So today I'm going to show you how I got my hair to be this curly from this. So stay tuned and let's do it. So first thing, you're gonna wash your hair. You're gonna shampoo it, condition it, and then once you get out of the shower, you're gonna put the Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. Scrunch away our weightless touchable curls all day. I got level 3. So this is my first time using this product. Went to the grocery store and it was all that was left because all the grocery stores are empty right now. But yeah, so you put this in and you scrunch your hair. Put a lot in. I did like 5 huge handfuls. And then once you're done scrunching, you go back in with a blow dryer, and it's better if you have a diffuser. I didn't really have one. It's like a half diffuser, but it's gonna work. I'll make it work. So then you just kind of clump it and dry it at the same time, and this is gonna hold the curls. I'm hoping this works. I have no idea. This is my first time trying this. So once you've gone through and you've crunched your hair and then blow dried it, I put my hair up into a bun on the top of my head just to make sure it holds. So I just did that for about 10 minutes. Just go do something else you have to do, like the dishes, whatever. And then when you come back, you're gonna use a comb and you're gonna tease your hair. This is my first time teasing my hair ever. So just brush up, keep going until your hair is really voluptuous and super big. You could do this as long as you want. And then once you're done with that, you are going to go in with a curling iron and curl the pieces. You have to use a curling iron with a small barrel. I think it's better if you use one that's a wand, but I'm just using this curling barrel for today. T3 micro. Get all the pieces that didn't really hold a curl. So let's do that. Okay, so see, it's gonna have like little tiny curls like that. And then you just keep going and do your whole head. And the smaller chunks of hair, the better. This can take a lot of time if you have a lot of hair. So, patience, my child. And this gets really hot, so I only do like 5 to 10 seconds. Just depends on your hair. And a good way to hold the curls that you finish away from the ones you haven't is to use one of these clips. Looks crazy now, but it works. Sorry if the light keeps changing in this, like the brightness level. It's because I can't decide how much brightness is best for you to see the hair curliness. We're on our way. My hair's never been this curly in my life. And I think it's best to curl some in and some out just so your hair is like extra voluminous. Oh, these curls. Look at it, they're so cute. Something I'm really bad at is I always forget the bottom and the back of my hair because if I don't see it, you know, but we're gonna do it today because you two will see it. So I'd say this is, the curling is the part that takes the longest for this. It's just a lot of repetitive motion. Great workout for the arms. I wouldn't recommend doing this often because I feel like it is really damaging for your hair, but this is really fun to do every once in a while. So you guys are probably bored in quarantine right now, trying to figure out what to do, and you're like, I'm gonna Google, how can I do Pretty Woman hair? Julia Roberts Pretty Woman hair, because I have nowhere to go. So I may as well play dress up and go on TikTok and YouTube, right? So I'm here for you. So ever since I saw Pretty Woman for the first time, I've been obsessed with it, okay? Julia Roberts, it's probably one of my favorite movies she's ever done. I love every movie she does, but she was just so good in that. They styled her amazing, she looked amazing, etc., etc. So that's why I wanted to do this. We're on our way. Okay. Okay, so almost done. This is it so far. So to finish, I'm going to use this BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil. And this is supposed to be lightweight mist for subtle shine and softness. And then for some extra hold, I'm going to use this Oribe hairspray. Just to hold it because my hair is kind of heavy. And it wouldn't be a Julia Roberts look for this if I wasn't wearing red lipstick, so this is how I finish it off. And then she always had her hair kind of like parted like that, so it gave it like, you know, more height and volume, but you could also use hair clip like to mix it up. Do something like this. If it's too much in the front, mess around with it. Okay. So that's it. I hope you guys liked my Julia Roberts Pretty Woman hair tutorial. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you liked it. If you guys do this, send me photos. I want to see how it came out for you. That's all. Love and appreciate you. Hope you guys are all doing well during this time, staying positive. If you haven't already, go watch my video on 50 things to do during quarantine season, and you better be staying inside because it's really important that we flatten the curve and we stop the spreading of coronavirus. That is a whole other topic, and you can go watch my other video for that. Anyways,